What kind of device is that?
Meet DVICE, the new world carry kit focused on bringing together hygiene, productivity, and sustainability. The only device you'll ever need. Here. You can now avoid touching surfaces with the no-touch hygiene tool.
Drinks on me.
Oh.
Aw, that's cute.
The Aw straw is your own personal silicone straw, avoiding using single-use plastics. Having control over your straw means having control over your hygiene. Say no to plastic straws. Here. DVICE has wipe-sized microchiefs made from natural bamboo fibers with antibacterial properties. So who needs those tissues anymore? Oh, and they're super soft. Microchiefs are eco-friendly and sustainable. They're multi-use and they're washable. More than 20,000 trees are cut every day and 24 million gallons of water is used to produce a single day consumption of disposable wipes in the US alone. DVICE comes with 6 washable microchiefs. That means together we can help save up to 8 million trees.
Ooh, mints. Can I have one?
Be it mints, medicines, multivitamins, DVICE has storage for your daily dose. Place your phone on DVICE and go hands-free as you take your work calls. Hi.
In case you run out of phone battery while being on those hikes, DVICE comes with a handy microlight too.
We have thoughtfully curated essential everyday use products and crafted it into an all-in-one hygiene kit. DVICE comes in various colors: living coral, activated charcoal, glacier gray, calm white, yogic blue. Now, carry more by carrying less.
Back us today and be a part of our journey.